Imagine transforming your video background into anything you want. No green screen, no complicated setup, just pure creativity. Whether you dream of filming in a high-end studio, a cozy luxury apartment, or even a futuristic workspace, I'm about to show you how to make it happen effortlessly. With just a few clicks, you can replace your background and create a polished, professional look without spending hours on editing. CapCut's AI-powered tools make the process seamless, and I'll guide you step by step to get the best results. But here's the secret. Choosing the right background and adding depth can make all the difference. I'll show you how to enhance your footage with realistic blur effects and color adjustments, so your final video looks natural and cinematic. Get ready to unlock endless creative possibilities and take your videos to the next level. Welcome to Zero to AI. Let's get to our computer. Firstly, open CapCut, since it's the software we'll be using. If you don't have CapCut, just type CapCut.com. It will redirect you to the website where you can download it for your device. The CapCut we're using is free, so you won't have to spend money on software anymore. Now, let's start a new project and import our favorite backgrounds and the videos we want to replace the background. Ensure that you place your background on the main layer and your video on the layer above it. To remove the background, select your video on the timeline. On the right-hand corner, under the video options, click on Remove BG, then click on the small box for auto removal. It only takes a couple of seconds for your background to be removed, and the result is quite lovely, although the AI is not yet perfect. Next, choose the background of your liking. In case you're wondering where I got these beautiful backgrounds, I used Leonardo.ai. I simply provided simple prompt details about the background I wanted, and the AI did its job. I'm using the free version, so I can only search and download about 10 backgrounds. Now that we have our background, let's place it on the main layer of the timeline, making sure it covers the entire length of the video unless you want multiple backgrounds throughout the video. As you can see, your video now has a new background, but that's not all. It still looks somewhat artificial. Now, I'll show you how to add depth between the subject and the background. But before that, if you've learned something so far, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's continue. On your left-hand corner, click on Effect, and on the side panel, click on Lens. The effect we'll be using is Blur. Take the effect and place it on our timeline, making sure it also covers the entire video. Don't put it on top of the video, it will affect it. Put it in between the video and the background so it can only affect the background. Depending on how blurry you want your background to look, I prefer mine to be under 10 for a more realistic depth. Now, make sure to scale your background to whatever size you like and always play with different backgrounds to see which one looks more realistic. Once you're done, the next thing you should do is match the video and the background by color grading them, but that can be in a separate video. Let me know in the comments if it's something you'd like me to make a video about, but I'll show you the basics. Click on the adjustment option and create a new adjustment layer. This is self-explanatory. Any content under this layer will be affected when you change things like exposure, saturation, and more. Use it to your advantage. Lastly, I usually enjoy importing the LUT of my choice to apply to my footage. Yes, you can import your favorite LUT into CapCut. This is amazing. Before you exit the video, allow me to demonstrate how to create a background. Once you're on the website, select the image generation option. As a free user, you receive 150 tokens every day, and generating a prompt consumes 14 tokens. Let's write a bright bedroom office with a shelf full of books. You know, just for show-off purposes. Let's also incorporate a warm lamp on the table. Now, click on the Generate button and be patient. The outcome is astonishing, and the more precise your prompt is, the better the result. And just like that, you've unlocked a whole new way to transform your videos. With CapCut's background removal and a few creative tweaks, your content can now stand out like never before. But this is just the beginning. Want to make your videos even more cinematic? There's so much more you can do, like color grading, adding custom LUTs, and perfecting lighting to create a seamless blend between you and your new background. If that sounds exciting, Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel.